everyone, welcome back to my channel you all. So you guys might be thinking, hey Anamika, where were you? You were not posting any video for really long now. So there are a lot of things going behind the scenes that I haven't shared with you here on YouTube. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you guys would know how much things were going behind the scenes. So I thought I would just give a resume to my YouTube channel as of now. But now as I am back to my YouTube channel, I will post here videos very regularly. So today is Monday, that means it is a college day and it's a work day as well. So basically my college starts from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. So either I do my client works before or just after my classes. So either like in the morning time I do my college stuff, and after like 6 p.m. I do my client stuff. But today we have like group call, and today I have one meeting with my client at 12 p.m. So I am waiting for her to join. So yeah. So currently I am making a contract for my client, because it is must thing that you should send a contract to your client before taking any work, because that stands you like a professional, number one, and second, it gives you a security that you will get paid after your work. And that is what I am doing right now. And yeah, so plan for the day is nothing much, but I will go and meet my friend today because I will be leaving tomorrow, and I think I need to meet her before I just leave, because she is my best wisher. So I think I need to meet her first before leaving my place. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today, and I will show you all everything. Okay, so it is 11:20 right now. That means we still have 40 minutes to get on a Zoom call. So I thought I will just edit a video for my client, which I have to send by today evening, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you've never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. Yeah, I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to
Literally after long time, and it feels so good. And if you guys have seen my previous vlog, then you guys would know I'm standing in a exact same terrace. If you have seen my previous vlog, you guys would know. So I'm in my bua's place right now and just drying my hair because it is all messy and it is all wet. And yeah, I simply love the vibe of this place because it is so calming, it is so soothing. When you come here on evening, you get a fresh air and feel so good, because I like this kind of environment. And in my hometown, we hardly have this kind of peace near us. We are like literally get exhausted sometime that we only hear honk because we stay nearby our NH, and that is like so weird thing, to be really very honest, because there is 24 into 7 honk noise all the time, and we don't even get a peaceful time to spend with like a cup of coffee or journaling type. We hardly get those moments. So I just simply like this kind of vibe, and like I like this place. Also, the weather here is pleasant whole over the year. Like even in summer, it is not so hot. It is like we can bear it. But in my hometown, it is an industrial area, so we feel super hot, and it is in that place. And I feel I have taken a good decision to come here and stay, because I like this kind of vibe. I like this kind of weather and all of that. So you guys will see me in this town and making vlogs out of it. So stay tuned. Guys, good morning. So time right now is 11 and I'm just sitting in a terrace. Just look at the background. There are so beautiful flowers, plants all over here, and I like this vibe. I just like coming here and sit during morning time just because to relax a bit before starting off my work. And I simply love this. I love doing this. And like last night it rained here, and even though it rained, it is not cold. It is like minimal wala thing. It is not so cold, it's not too hot as well. So I'm just sitting here and relaxing a bit.
We know. Wish all the hashtags, likes, and tweets would find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell